Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Morin with Videotech Security. I provide the pre and post sales support and business development here in the United States. Today I'm going to be covering our unique offering for extremely dusty applications, which is called the air barrier. This can be combined with our 316L stainless steel enclosures for a complete maintenance-free solution. I'll be going over the benefits of the solution, showing a brief video of how it works, and discussing a real-time successful application. So Videotech is providing these robust and reliable solutions since 1986. I would say that 90% of our installations are based on extreme environments and all types of weather conditions. And typically as a standard, we do offer a wiper solution in the fixed and PTZ cameras to have the capability to remotely clean out the glass. However, in an application where the camera is required to be installed in a dusty atmosphere, it can be severely difficult to see through the glass window. So Videotech has a solution where you can utilize an air barrier. It can be crucial not to have an obstructive view of your target, and noticeably when you're monitoring any type of process control, you need to have visibility. Now, by utilizing a solution like the air barrier, it offers a consistent air which allows the glass to remain free from any deposits and protects the front glass especially. It can be very useful for foundries, ovens, waste management, cement and industrial plants, and any other dusty applications. Now, as you can see here on the video, there's a small nozzle situated around the window, and it assists in keeping the lens of the cameras clean. You can see it with the fine powder with even a 360-degree blow-off. Now, additionally, this solution is effective preventing condensation from forming on the camera window surface. And to avoid any oil or dust particles and to certify clean air for the air barrier, it's strongly suggested to be completed with an air filtering group. Now, when it comes to process monitoring, a mining facility can be present very complex problems. So the infrastructure is usually very large. It has a host of numbers of extremely harsh environments, whether it's above ground or underground, and they need to be monitored in order to ensure that the productive operations are carried out safely. So these machines' mechanical parts are subject to very heavy wear and tear that can lead to structural weakening and possibly damage or accidents. So the production phases are carried out by this equipment. They must be constantly monitored and, if needed, maintained by quality workmen. So what the client needed was to obtain some sharp images from the cameras that are situated in extremely dusty and corrosive environments in order to confirm that the crushing machines are actually functioning correctly. So the Videotech solution was chosen not just because of the strength of the construction, but also because of the number of available accessories that makes it so versatile and suitable for these usages in harsh environments and such as the mining. Now, in the dusty area of the crushing machines, this solution has proved invaluable by stopping the dust collecting on the glass, and it guarantees that the camera has a clear, constant vision. To learn a little bit more about Videotech offerings, please visit us at www.videotech.com, or feel free to contact myself or my colleagues underneath the Contacts tab. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.